It's Monday, July 24th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And fingers crossed that by the end of the week, that BC port worker strike will be in the rear view. Longshore and Warehouse Union Brass confirming that they'll be getting together in the next day or so to recommend that a mediator's proposed settlement be put to a vote by the 7,000 plus workers involved. The Fed's already making it clear that if a deal isn't approved, a legislative settlement will be next. Also labor-related, that current strike by Hollywood writers and actors was apparently the final straw for a financially troubled BC film producer. Burnaby's Braun Studios filing for creditor protection, reports pegging the company's debt in the tens of millions. Around the world on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country, Eric is your Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. A starting date for contract talking in Canada's auto industry. Chrysler parent Stellantis confirming an August 10th launch for negotiations with Unifor. Calgary-based TC Energy adding to its cash reserves, selling 40% of its stake in the Columbia Gas Transmission and Columbia Gulf Transmission pipelines to a joint venture for $5.2 billion. Despite the many warnings, cybercrime continues to be a major headache in the business world. An IBM study pegging the average company cost of a cybersecurity breach at $6.94 million, which is only slightly lower than a year back. Financial services and energy companies, the top targets. And a busy week on the Business Beat calendar, including second quarter earnings for both CN and CPKC Rail. Also Q2 results from Real Canadian Superstore parent Loblaw, Rogers Communications, and Vancouver-based miner New Gold on Wednesday. BC forestry giants West Fraser Timber and Canfor, along with Vancouver's Tech Resources, will be sharing their latest numbers on Thursday, and StatsCan wraps up the week with May economic growth data on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.